What's up, everybody? Today I want to talk to you guys about the number one 9mm handgun in the world. To me, that would be none other than the Glock 19 Gen 4. Now, the Glock 19 has been my carry weapon for a long time. A couple months ago, I replaced it with the Sig P365XL, and after doing some shooting tests today, I think I'm going back to the Glock 19. I have never shot a gun this accurately. It's such a smooth shooting gun. I like the finger grooves on the Gen 4s. So I do have a Gen 5 17. Not a fan just because there's no finger grooves. All right, bring back our finger grooves, Glock. But I absolutely love this gun. So here y'all see the Glock 19 action. I had a couple, had 4 outliers from center mass. And that simply was because I pushed out my distance. I tried to be like one of my other smart shooter companions, and I ended up going out to behind that Dodge Charger. So I don't know, what is that, probably about 21 yards, 25 yards maybe. But yeah, I'm just not getting this type of performance out of my P365XL, no matter how I try. So in conclusion, there absolutely positively It's no better 9mm than the Glock 19, especially Gen 4. The finger grips, the performance, Glock sights suck, all of them, but oh well, we're over that. Definitely got to get this gun. That's it for today's video. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.